Hi everyone, it's Lou here. Today I'll show you how to add button sounds that work in all your scenes in Unity, and also how to skip the sound for some special scenes if you want. So in my project, I already have 3 scenes: menu, game, and shop. First, let's go to the menu scene. This is my initial scene. In the hierarchy, I just create an empty game object and call it Sound Manager. This will control all the button sounds for my game. Now I add a script to this one. I call it Button Sound Player. Double click on the script and let's open it to code. Public static button sound player instance. This line means there is just one button sound player. We use this so we don't create duplicates by accident. Public audio clip click sound. Public audio source audio source. These variables let us pick the sound and audio source in the inspector. These are public, so you can set them in Unity's inspector. Click sound is the sound you want, and audio source is what plays the sound. Now we want to make sure this manager stays alive and we don't make more than one by mistake. Awake runs as soon as the script wakes up. Here, if an instance already exists, we destroy the new one. If not, we set this as the instance and make it stay alive when we change scenes. Here's the function that plays the sound. This just checks that both the audio source and the sound are set. If yes, it plays the click sound once. Here's the function that does the actual work. We find every button in the scene, even if it's not active yet. For each button, we add our play click sound function. So every time you click, you get a sound. Now, what do we do when a scene loads? We want to find and hook all buttons. So every time a scene is loaded, we call hook all buttons, which will connect our sound to every button. Now, every time our script is enabled, we'll listen for scene loading. This line hooks into Unity's scene loading system. So when a new scene is loaded, our code gets called. When our script is disabled, we stop listening. This just cleans up so we don't have extra listeners running if the script ever gets disabled. Now let's go back to Unity. On the Sound Manager, I add an audio source component, I drag my click sound into the script, and also set the audio source field in the inspector. Now let's press play and check. Perfect! Every button in every scene now makes a sound when I click. But sometimes, maybe you don't want sound in one of your scenes, like maybe you have a special scene there. So, here's what we do. Open up the script again. Inside the play click sound function, we just check if the current scene is the one I want to skip. You can put your scene name here. In my case, I put shop. If it is that scene, it just does nothing, no sound. In all other scenes, it still plays the sound as normal. So now, before playing the sound, we check if we are in a special scene like shop or any scene you want to skip. If yes, we just return and do nothing. Now, let's test it again. Great! Everything works perfectly. Every button click has a sound, except in the shop. And that's it for today. Really simple, really useful. You can use this setup in any Unity project and make your UI feel much more interactive. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Lou, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!